Many times we don't even stop. We just keep chasing our desire, urge, becoming, being happier, richer, which all is well. There is no contradiction. Unless we feel stress, we feel something is not working for us. Anxiety, fear, fear of losing what we have. So how can we balance our life? I found to stop during the day, to ask the question and connect to the body, to the feelings. And see my mind is dwelling, projecting to the future, next, or very much appreciate every single movement, every interaction. How easy is to overlook a quality day when we are in the mode of past, future, judging, feeling it's never enough. I wish if I just do this, or I will have that. Few minutes before you fall asleep, sit with yourself. Reflect on your day. Check how many times you argue with what is. How many times you judge yourself. You judge the people around you. Or not. Or you had a flowing day, appreciated day. So every day you consciously can adjust if you want to adjust. And finding what is my quality day, what is a quality day for me. So every day is opportunity remind myself how grateful I am, so I can share this gratitude with all beings, because we really support each other by reminding each other, not by helping, correcting, telling other people what is right or wrong, because we don't really know. Let's face the fact. It is what it is. How can we take this as it is?